Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you unpair your Wi-Fi network in your Tecno phone. Guys, you want to unpair guys Wi-Fi network in your Tecno phone. So as you can unpair it, and guys now let's see how to unpair Wi-Fi network in our Tecno phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys if you need my channel, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So guys now let's start the video. Guys click on Wi-Fi setting. Then guys which Wi-Fi network guys you have pair in your Tecno phone guys you want to unpair, so guys press your Wi-Fi network and guys you can see forget option to unpair. So guys we will forget, then guys it will unpair means guys you cannot use your Wi-Fi guys, you will have to enter password again. Your Wi-Fi has unpair. So I hope friends you have understood how to unpair Wi-Fi network in our Tecno phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. So guys now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.